Good afternoon, school. Myself Rajat Singh from Amrit Public School, your physics teacher. Student, this is the second video of the numericals of chapter gravitation. So let's start. Here the question is given that a car falls off a ledge and drop to the ground in 0.5 second. Let g is equal to 10 meter per second square for simplifying the calculation. What is its speed on striking the ground and what is the average speed during 0.5 second and how high is the ledge from the ground. So we start the solution. So as we know that first of all we write the given part. So the object is dropped from a height, so its initial velocity is equal to 0 meter per second, and it is given that gravity is equal to 10 meter per second square, and here time is 0.5 second. So as we know that by the first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus gt. By putting the value of u, g and t, we get that v is equal to 5 meter per second. Okay. Now the second part is average speed. As we know that the average formula of average speed is also initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. So average is here initial velocity is equal to 0 and the final velocity is 5. So 0 plus 5 upon 2 means 5 upon 2, and after solving this we get that 2.5 meter per second. Now the third question is what is the how high is the ledge from the ground. From the third equation of motion for a freely falling object, h is equal to ut plus half gt square, and the value of u is 0 and t is 0.5, half into g 10 into 0.5 whole square. By cancel out 2 and 10 we get that 5, and this whole portion is equal to 0. So we get that 5 into 0.5 whole square means 0.25, and by multiplying these two value we get that the height is equal to 1.25 meter. Now the second question is an object is thrown vertically upward and rises to a height of 10 meter. Calculate the velocity with which the object was thrown upward and the time taken by the object to reach the highest point. So first of all we write the given part. So height is equal to here 10 meter and the body is throwing vertically upward. It means at highest point its velocity is 0 meter per second, and its initial velocity we have to find that, and the time also in the second question we also find the time. And here g, the value of gravity is not given, so we use 9.8 meter per second square. So now by the third equation of motion, as we know that v square minus u square is equal to 2gh, the value of final velocity is 0 and minus u square is equal to 2 into, so the body is throwing vertically upward, it means it goes against the gravity of the earth, so we use minus 9.8 into 10. By multiplying this portion we get that minus 196, so minus is cancel out from both sides, so we get that u square is equal to 196, and when we transfer square from left side to right side then it becomes square root, so we get the value u is equal to 14 meter per second. Now the second part is we have to find the time, so we use first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus gt. Value of v is 0 and u as we find in the first portion is 14, g minus 9.8 into t. So here it is 0, so we transfer this whole value from right side to left side, so it become negative to positive, it become 9.8 multiplied by t, and when we transfer 9.8 into multiply to from left side to right side, it be in this side it is in multiply, then it become divide from the another side, so we get the value of time is equal to 1.43 second. I hope the numericals based on the equation of motion for a freely falling object is cleared. So thanks and have a nice day.